buttoned up, meaning reserved, not showing emotions easily. He's a bit buttoned up around strangers. Don't be so buttoned up. Tell us how you feel. Closed off, meaning unwilling to share feelings or communicate with others. He's been closed off since the incident. She's usually friendly, but today she seems closed off. Fired up, meaning very excited, enthusiastic, or motivated. I'm fired up for the game tonight. She's fired up about her new job. Pumped up, meaning feeling very excited and full of energy. I'm pumped up for the big game. The crowd was pumped up before the show. Bummed out, meaning feeling sad or disappointed. I'm bummed out that I missed the concert. She looked really bummed out after hearing the news. Turned off, meaning feeling disgusted, repelled, or losing interest. I'm turned off by his rude behavior. I was turned off by the slow beginning of the movie. Torn up, meaning deeply upset or emotionally hurt. She was torn up after losing her pet. She was torn up after the breakup. Beaten down, meaning tired, discouraged, or emotionally exhausted. He looked beaten down after months of stress. She felt beaten down by constant criticism. Beat up, meaning damaged from heavy use or rough treatment. His old truck is pretty beat up. My suitcase is pretty beat up. Thrown off, meaning confused or distracted. I was thrown off by the unexpected question. We were all thrown off by the last-minute changes. Done in, meaning extremely tired or exhausted. I'm completely done in. After working all day, I'm completely done in. Run down, meaning in poor condition because of age or lack of care, feeling tired from too much work. This apartment is a bit run down. I felt run down after working all week. Built up, meaning increased or developed gradually over time. He has a lot of built-up stress. She finally released her built-up anger. Wrapped up, meaning finished or completed. The meeting is wrapped up. The project is finally wrapped up. Test your memory. Can you choose the correct meaning? Buttoned up means reserved. Closed off means unwilling to share feelings. Fired up means excited. Bummed out means disappointed. Pumped up means excited. Torn up means upset. Beaten down means exhausted. Thrown off means distracted. Done in means exhausted. Beat up means damaged. Turned off means disgusted. Wrapped up means finished.